Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and it's me again, Gracie. We're back for another video. But before we proceed, pasok muna natin ang intro. Ayun guys, and our topic for today is about how to register for PLDT's UnliFam call. Kung kayo po ay naka-register sa 1399 plan ni PLDT, hindi ko po alam kung, kasi ito lang yung plan ko so ito lang po yung sinishare ko. Hindi ko alam kung ganito rin sa ibang plan. I think as long as meron kang telephone, this applies to you also. So, ito pong ating topic is kung paano natin i-register yung ating mga mobile phone numbers na ating family. At ito po ay limited lang, 5 phone numbers doon sa portal ng PLDT. So, kung yun din yung plan mo, pareho sa akin, ito po, isi-share ko po sa inyo yung process or yung ginawa ko kung paano ko in-enroll yung mga phone numbers namin. And puro po kasi kami naka-smart, so nalaman ko lang sa cousin ko na kailangan lang puro smart talk and text, mga ganyan na phone numbers. Hindi pwede yung Globe. Okay? If you think this video is for you, please watch until the end. Ayan guys, ganun po ang pag-register ng ating mga mobile phone number sa PLDT's UnliFam call. Okay, sana po naintindihan nyo yung pag-register dito kung paano based dun sa screen record. And guys, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, don't hesitate to comment down below and I'll do my best to answer everything as long as it's related to our topic. And again, disclaimer, hindi po ako nag-work sa PLDT. This is all based on my own experience na gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo. Thank you so much again for tuning in to my channel and thank you so much sa mga time po ninyo. May God bless us all guys. Bye!